The rich invest in time, the poor invest in money. A deep dive into wealth, mindset, and financial success. The quote, "The rich invest in time, the poor invest in money," is attributed to Warren Buffett. It encapsulates a fundamental difference in the mindset of the wealthy and those struggling with finances. This phrase suggests that while the poor focus primarily on earning and spending money in a transactional way, the rich prioritize time as the most valuable asset. They leverage time for strategic decisions, investments, knowledge acquisition, and business growth, leading to long-term financial security and wealth accumulation. Welcome to Updates Domain, your go-to channel for rich personal finance tips. This article will explore the philosophy behind this statement, breaking it down into various aspects: time management, wealth building strategies, financial literacy, compounding growth, and mindset shifts necessary for financial success. By the end of this discussion, it will become clear that true wealth is not just about the money in one's bank account, but about understanding and maximizing the power of time. Chapter 1. Understanding time as an asset. Most people perceive money as the primary factor in determining wealth. However, a deeper understanding reveals that time is the ultimate asset. While money is something that can be earned, lost, or spent, but time is irreplaceable. The wealthy recognize that their most finite resource is time. They seek ways to maximize productivity, create value, and achieve financial freedom by making decisions that allow their time to work for them. The poor, on the other hand, often exchange time directly for money through jobs or short-term transactions without considering long-term wealth-building strategies. The opportunity cost of time. Opportunity cost refers to what is lost when choosing one option over another. For example, if a person spends an entire day working for a fixed wage, they may be neglecting opportunities to build a business, learn valuable skills, or make investments that could yield greater long-term returns. The rich constantly evaluate their time in terms of opportunity cost. Instead of spending hours on low-value activities, they focus on actions that yield high returns, whether through investments, business ventures, or self-improvement. Chapter 2. How the rich invest in time, prioritizing long-term growth. Wealthy individuals tend to think in terms of long-term gains rather than immediate gratification. They invest in assets that appreciate over time, such as real estate, stocks, or businesses, rather than seeking instant financial rewards. For examples, entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos spent years building Amazon with minimal short-term gains but massive long-term rewards. Investors like Warren Buffett invest in businesses with strong fundamentals, allowing their wealth to grow exponentially over decades. Leveraging time through investments. One of the greatest financial principles the wealthy understand is compounding. Albert Einstein famously called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. When money is invested wisely, it grows exponentially over time. For example, if someone invests $10,000 at an annual return of 10% in 30 years, that investment grows to over $174,000. The longer money is left to grow, the more powerful the results. The poor, however, often prioritize immediate cash flow over long-term investments. They may keep money in low-interest savings accounts or spend it rather than investing it for future growth. Delegation and outsourcing to free up time. Wealthy individuals delegate tasks that do not align with their highest value skills. They understand that their time is better spent on strategic thinking rather than routine operations. Examples of such delegations are hiring assistants to handle administrative work, investing in automated financial management tools, employing professionals like accountants and financial advisors. This allows them to focus on activities that generate the most wealth, such as expanding business ventures, making strategic investments, and networking. Chapter 3. How the poor invest in money. The employee mindset. Many people spend their lives working for wages or salaries without creating passive income streams. The traditional model of working 40-plus hours per week for a paycheck is a classic example of trading time for money. This system is limited because there are only 24 hours in a day. Salaries have a ceiling. The ability to work decreases with age. Contrast this with the wealthy who use money to generate more money, often without direct involvement. The illusion of security. Many people believe that a steady paycheck equals financial security. However, reliance on a fixed salary can be risky, especially in uncertain economic conditions. Layoffs, automation, and industry changes can quickly disrupt financial stability. The rich avoid this trap by diversifying income sources and investing in assets that generate wealth independently of their time. Spending versus investing. The poor often spend money on liabilities rather than assets. They focus on material possessions like expensive cars and latest gadgets, short-term pleasures like entertainment and dining out, non-income generating debts like credit card debt and payday loans. The wealthy, on the other hand, direct their money toward assets like stocks, real estate, businesses, and skill development like education, mentorship, courses, and also networks like building valuable relationships. Chapter 4. Shifting from a poor mindset to a wealth mindset. One major difference between the wealthy and the poor is knowledge. Wealthy individuals continually educate themselves on finance, investment strategies, and economic trends. Developing reading habits can be a good way to improve yourself. Reading books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Taking financial courses, learning about taxes, investing, and wealth accumulation. Developing passive income streams. Financial independence is achieved when passive income exceeds expenses. Passive income can come from stock dividends, real estate rentals, online businesses, royalties from intellectual property. The rich focus on building these streams to ensure financial security. Embracing delayed gratification. The ability to delay gratification is crucial for wealth building. Instead of spending impulsively, the wealthy reinvest earnings into growth opportunities. Examples. Instead of buying a luxury car, they invest in a business. Instead of spending money on entertainment, they attend seminars or buy books. This discipline leads to significant wealth accumulation over time. Chapter 5. Practical steps to invest in time. Like the rich one, prioritize high-value activities. Focus on tasks that provide long-term financial benefits. 2. Invest early and consistently. Take advantage of compounding by investing regularly. 3. Create multiple income streams by developing sources of passive income. 4. Leverage other people's time and skills by outsource tasks that do not maximize your productivity. 5. Limit time spent on low-return activities by reducing time wasted on entertainment and unnecessary tasks. 6. Continuously educate yourself by investing in learning about finance, business, and self-improvement. 7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Live below your means and reinvest savings into wealth-building ventures. 8. Network with successful individuals. Surround yourself with people who understand wealth-building strategies. Conclusion. The distinction between the rich and the poor often boils down to how they value and invest time. The rich understand that time is their most valuable resource and use it to build long-term wealth, while the poor often trade their time directly for money without leveraging opportunities for financial growth. By shifting from a short-term, money-focused mindset to a time investment strategy, anyone can move toward financial independence. The key lies in education, strategic investments, and a focus on activities that yield exponential returns over time. Ultimately, wealth is not just about money. It's about how wisely one uses their time. We have come to the end of this video. I believe you have all subscribed to this channel, but if you forgot, please do so now, so you would be among the first to be notified immediately our next video drops. Thank you for watching. See you soon.